Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change background on our Amazon Firestick. Now, for this you need the Fire TV ambient experience. Now this ambient experience is only available on certain devices. So Fire TV Omni, Mini LED series, the Amazon Fire TV, Omni QLED series TVs, these ones as well, Fire TV Stick 4K Max, or the second generation one, and also some selected Panasonic Fire TV Smart TVs. And if you have these, you just need to go ahead and press on the menu button on your Fire TV remote and choose from the following options. So for changing background, you can go ahead and select that, change background. Then you just select the photos that you want to display as the background. Okay, you can choose to have the photo shuffle as well, and how frequently the images do change, or you can also leave it as a still image. Okay, but otherwise it's really that easy and simple. Just make sure your TV is compatible, and if it is, just press the menu button and click on change background and follow along. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.